Okay, example number 1. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence starting from 3, 9, 15, and so on. Okay, so dito sa problem number 1, alin kaya sa dalawa ang gagamitin natin? Yung formula number 1 kaya or formula number 2? So una muna natin gawin, tanungin natin ano ba yung hinahanap. So we are looking for the sum of the first 15 terms. Ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin ay S sub 15. No? So para mahanap si S sub 15, kailangan kunin natin yung mga given. Ano ba mga pwede natin gamitin para makuha natin si S sub 15? Una, kunin natin yung first term. Kasi sa formula natin, nandan dapat si first term. Okay, ano ba si first term? The first term is equal to 3. Meron ba tayong last term? Okay, so wala tayong last term. So ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung formula number 1. Pero, alam natin kung ilan yung ating terms na hinahanap, 15. So ibig sabihin, bukod sa isang 1, meron din tayong n, which is equal to 15. Okay? Next. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ito, kaya ito dapat gamitin natin yung formula number 2. So sa formula number 2, kailangan mayroon tayong n, meron tayong a sub 1, tsaka meron tayong common difference. Okay? So alam na natin kung ano yung common difference. So ang common difference natin, para dito sa ating problem number 1, so we start with 3, and then 9, 15. So ano ang common difference natin? So ang common difference ay pwedeng 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So meron tayong common difference na 6. Ibig sabihin, from 3, we add 6 to get the next number. Now, meron tayo nung a sub 1 and saka d, pwede natin gamitin si formula number 2. So let's use formula number 2. S sub 15 is equal to n, which is equal to 15 divided by 2 times 2a sub 1, what's a sub 1? 3, plus n is equal to 15, minus 1, multiplied by the common difference, which is equal to 6. Okay? Then simplifying it, we have 15 divided by 2, that's equal to 7.5, times 2 times 3, 6, plus 15 minus 1, we have 14, times 6. Okay, equals, so 6 plus 14 times 6, so we get 7.5 times 6 plus 14 times 6 is equal to 4, then 284. No? Then simplify it.